Good morning, children. This video is for grade 8, subject science, block 12, combustion. Today we are going to discuss LP2, conditions necessary for combustion. The aim of this lesson is to prove that optimum ignition temperature is necessary for combustion. The keywords are ignition temperature and inflammable. The resources required are 1 paper cup half filled with water, matchbox, Bunsen burner, tripod stand, wire gauge, tong, S2 of volume book, notebook and exit content book. Students, let's perform one activity according to the setup which is given in this picture. Light a candle and cover it with a transparent glass tumbler and observe and record your observations in your notebook. Now pause the video and try to answer these questions. Why did the candle stop burning? Can a candle burn without being lit? Can a matchstick burn without striking it? Why? Resume the video again. Let's discuss the answers. The candle stopped burning as it did not get oxygen. The candle does not burn without lighting it, and the matchstick without striking it, as all substances need a minimum temperature to burn. This is called ignition temperature. When a matchstick is struck against a matchbox, the heat produced by the friction helps matchstick reach its ignition temperature. Similarly, the candle reaches its ignition temperature on lighting it with matchstick. So today we will prove that optimum ignition temperature is necessary for combustion. Let's perform another activity. Place the tripod stand and wire gauge on the Bunsen burner. Place the paper cup with water on it. Predict if the paper cup will burn or not when the burner is lit and note your prediction. Light the burner, record your observations in your notebook. Students, there is one suggestion. Complete this activity under the supervision of any adult. Now you can pause the video and try to answer these questions based on activity. What did you predict? What did you observe? Why does the cup half filled with water not flame up? Resume the video again. You will find the answers. The paper cup half filled with water did not burn. The water in the cup turned hot. Water absorbed the heat and did not allow the paper cup to reach its ignition temperature, so it did not burn. Now, what are the conditions necessary for combustion? The presence of combustible material, oxygen, and optimum ignition temperature are necessary for combustion. Students, out of these three conditions, if any one is missing, then burning is not possible. Now, what is the role of oxygen and optimum ignition temperature in combustion? During combustion, a chemical reaction occurs between combustible material and oxygen. Optimum ignition temperature provides sufficient heat for the reaction to begin. Why can we ignite paper, dry leaves and LPG with a matchstick but need kerosene to ignite coal or log of wood? So, certain combustible substances like paper and LPG have very low ignition temperatures, and the small flame from a matchstick can provide heat for burning of these materials. While the materials like wood and coal have high ignition temperatures and matchstick can't provide sufficient heat for them to attain their ignition temperatures, therefore kerosene oil is sprinkled over them. The kerosene oil catches fire and provides enough heat for them to attain their ignition temperature and start burning. Why are substances like petrol, kerosene and LPG categorized as inflammable substance? So petrol, kerosene and LPG have very low ignition temperature and can burn even with the spark. So they are called inflammable substances. So children, what we learned today? Today we discussed the conditions necessary for combustion. There are three important conditions for combustion, and these are oxygen, optimum ignition temperature and presence of combustible material. Now it's a time for quiz. Why should we not light a matchstick or lighter at a petrol pump? Write three conditions which are necessary for combustion. Students, write these answers in your notebook and send to me personally. Finish your volume book as per the today's learning. Complete your practice questions 4, 5 and 6 from Exit Content Book. Thank you. Have a nice day, students.